What are the top technology trends impacting interior design? I'm Michelle from Interior Design Influencers, helping you grow your impact and your income. Today we're exploring my top 3 favorite industry disruptors. The future of interior design is expected to explode with technology integration. Smart tools are already commonplace in most households. You can monitor your security system, change your lights and thermostats, even see inside your fridge. And today, tools like Amazon's Echo Dot are already a kid's tool. With these simple voice integration technologies, you can monitor the weather, change your lights, play music, all with voice animation. A smart designer will be on top of these trends, looking for ways that companies are integrating voice into home technology. Virtual design apps are taking the marketplace by storm. A quick look on Google Play or iTunes, you can see dozens of apps designed to bring decorating straight to the consumer. A wise decorator will not be afraid of this. Instead, they will integrate these apps into their practice to bring increased value to their customer base. As an example, there's a great app called Hutch on your phone. This is an LA-based virtual design app that allows customers to take a picture of their room and then drag and drop various products straight into their room to see how it'll look. They can price shop and even compare different things like headboards, chairs, etc. It's a great opportunity for you to be a thought leader, introducing specific tools to help your customers along the way. 3D accessory printing is a hot trend on the horizon. Although it's not mainstream today, developers are scrambling for this place. Even local elementary schools and libraries are actively teaching children how to design and print in 3D. The future of the interior design industry may look something like this. An end user at home would download to their personal computer a copy of an accessory they love. Then at home, on their own private 3D printer, they would print the accessory for their own personal use. The future is bright and promising, and any wise designer will stay on top of this trend. We encourage you to keep learning more about the hottest technology trends. To help you on your way, we've provided a white paper download in the description link below. And also join our community. What are your favorite technology trends? Comment and help us all learn more together.